Now, a court case involving a former nursery school employee in Carltonville has been postponed until next month. Nelly Senwametsi was earlier convicted of 2 counts of common assault and 1 of assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm to 3 children, aged 4. A psychologist testifying today in court says the children will experience lifelong trauma and will have heightened anxiety and stress levels when dealing with difficult situations. The defense requesting more time to research and prepare for cross-examination due to the evidence by the psychologist. More details now. Here's reporter Lindokuhle Xulu.
I'm here with Women and Men Against Child Abuse, who's going to give us just their sentiments around some of these proceedings. It's another postponement, but I'd like for us to start on some of the evidence that was tabled by Dr. Miller. We know that it wasn't a lost day, there was that evidence, but just take us through what you've heard in court about that evidence.
Absolutely. Dr. Miller told the court how what was done to these children, who were 4 at the time, is going to have lifelong traumatic impact on them. She emphasized psychological, physiological, emotional and physical impact that this is going to have.
And just take us through the fact that the postponements have been coming. Last week it was because the defense lawyer was in self-isolation. Today he's speaking about not receiving certain papers and also saying that he needs more time to prepare for this. How do you perceive this?
Linda, we have been saying as an organization, especially after our president said there will be no leniency in our justice system, this has been an indication of a perpetrator-centric system. The victims have to accommodate the defense, who is unprepared. He told the court that he cannot possibly prepare in the next 5 hours until tomorrow so that this case can be finalized.
Thank you so much for that. Women and Men Against Child Abuse essentially giving us their sentiments after court was once again postponed to the 13th of October this time around, but certainly speaking about the evidence that was tabled by Dr. Miller, who is in the psychology field, talking about the long-term impacts of such an assault to children at the age of 4. But certainly those are the sentiments coming from Women and Men Against Children, saying that they do want justice to be served and the system itself needs to be questioned around how it caters for the perpetrators and not for the victims.